Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's device is perfect for if you are basically needing an extension cable, whether you're trying to plug something into the wall, whether you are plugging your phone into your computer, and you just don't want a bunch of cable draped around. This was sent over by a company called Lisen, and like I said, it is just a retractable cable setup that's perfect for your iPhones and your Android phones. So it's gonna come in a standard little box. You're gonna come with instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then as you can see, here is the device itself. It's got this nice little round part. This is about 2.5 inches. On the one side, you're gonna have a lightning adapter. You can pull that off, and then you have the Type-C adapter. So like I said, it works great for iPhones or the Android or phones themselves, or tablets or computers or anything like that with the Type-C connection. On the other side, you have a USB port A, or you can take that off and then you have another Type-C connection. So once again, if you're plugging something into a computer, you can utilize a USB or the Type-C connection. So whatever you need, you are fully covered. And then as you can see, it's nice, fully retracted, has a ton of length to it. Give you an idea, the overall size of this thing is about 40 inches in length when it goes all the way across. So you can get quite a ways from if you are plugging it into a wall outlet or anything like that. And then to retract it, just simply pull it back out and everything goes right in the middle. Now it does, when you do pull one side, it will pull the other. So it's kind of like evenly bounced, if you will. So the middle part will always be in the center, but you don't have to fully remove it. You only have to do that to go ahead and fully retract it itself. So you can kind of pull it out to whatever you need. But it's a very simple device, very easy to utilize. Like I said, it gets rid of cables just being draped everywhere because everything's nice and compact. So if you're looking for a nice way to clean up your desk, something that's perfect for travel, for charging up your devices, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.